The project was born from a dream shared by a couple who had lived for many years in the place they loved, in Itanhangá, Rio de Janeiro. The house they lived in no longer aligned with their lifestyle desires. They wanted something simpler, practical, without excess, but full of beauty and with a generous garden. The linear layout of the construction, positioned along the longitudinal boundary of the land, was designed to favor the main entrance through a green pathway, maximizing the gardens and preserving almost all of the existing trees. Practical access for cars and service areas was strategically placed at the front of the property, while the private spaces were located at the back. At the intersection of these spaces lies the open dining room, fulfilling the client's desire to dine outdoors. A great surprise came upon visiting the site. The chosen position of the house provided a perfect view of Pedra da Gávea, a delight for the residents' eyes. Seeking a more green and welcoming design, the initial study considered building the house with CLT, cross-laminated timber, where the finish and structure would be integrated. The facade would receive treatment using the Japanese Sho Sugiban technique as protection against the elements. Architect advanced with this concept until the client, concerned about durability and maintenance, opted for a more traditional construction while maintaining the same aesthetic result. Architect then decided to use concrete slats that mimicked charred wooden boards on the facade and to preserve the same warm contrast. Some interior walls were covered with marine plywood panels of pine. The touches of color were reserved for the children's rooms, light green and dark green, and the decorative elements were entirely curated by the client. The entire house receives abundant natural light and interacts harmoniously with the gardens, ensuring a wonderfully airy and sunlit living experience. Each room features outdoor decks that promote a close and constant connection with nature, and skylights positioned in the dining room and bathrooms allow the sky to become an integral part of daily life. The linearity is also present in the interior circulation, which provides access to all rooms, with a rhythm marked by alternating glass panels and vertical supports, followed along the entire length by a long bench.